Hello children, so happy to see you in front of me. I hope you remember what I taught you yesterday, in front and behind.
Children, here are some pictures for you to understand the pre-number behind and in front. What do you see in this picture? Oh, the boy is in front of the curtain and the girl is behind the curtain trying to catch the boy. And since the girl is behind, we can't see her fully. The boy can be seen fully as he is in front. So the boy is in front and the girl is behind. Now look at this picture. In this picture, on one side we have a house with an animal, and on the other side we have a fence with a bird. So the animal in the picture where you see the house is in front and you can see it fully and clearly, whereas the bird is not seen fully because it is behind the fence. So the animal is in front of the house and the bird is behind the fence. Now, in the picture on top, we have the teddy bear who is standing in front of the house. And in the picture below, the teddy bear is standing behind the tree. So the teddy bear with the blue cap is seen because he is in front of the house. And the teddy bear's cap is hidden because he is behind the tree. Our last picture. Oh, there we see Kitty the cat. Kitty is hiding behind the box in the first picture and we cannot see her fully. And in the next picture, Kitty is posing in front of the box. So Kitty on one side is behind the box and in the second half is in front of the box. So behind and in front.
Children, now let's enjoy a short activity.
Children, you can see two cars which are moving on the road. For the moment, the blue car and the maroon car are moving together. Now, the maroon car has picked up speed and is moving ahead. So now the maroon car is in front and the blue car is behind. Oh, the blue car too has picked up speed and has overtaken the maroon car. So now the blue car is in front and the maroon car is behind. So children, through these vehicles, I hope you have understood the pre-number behind and in front. You can do a similar activity at home with your cars. Children, I hope you have completed the worksheet that I gave you yesterday. Now, we will go through it and see whether you got your pre-number behind and in front right or wrong. Now look at the picture. The first picture I had solved for you yesterday. The one with the object ball. The cat is behind the ball. So we have to put a tick mark in that box near the ball. Then we go to the second picture, which is the cat seen next to the cupboard. Now, the cat is not behind the cupboard, but it is at the side of the cupboard. So, we do not put a tick in that box which is near the cupboard. Let's go to the third picture where we see the cat in front of the house. Now, since the cat is in front of the front door of the house, we do not put a tick mark in that picture, as the house is behind the cat and the cat is in front. In the next picture, you can see the cat behind the blocks. As the cat is behind, it cannot be seen fully. So we put a tick mark in the box next to the blocks. And the last picture, where the yellow car is seen, the cat is in front of the car, which means no tick mark in the box next to the car, as the car is behind and the cat is in front. Children, I hope you have ticked in the correct boxes as I have just shown you.
So children, before I go behind the camera, I just want to tell you to be happy and keep smiling. Bye children.